everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna, and today I'm doing an unboxing of my BoxyCharm right here. So if you're here to find out what I got in this month's box, then keep on watching. Do make sure to follow me on all my socials. They're all listed down below, and do check out my makeup blog. If you're curious how I got this look today, I just did a whole video that I filmed like just now about the new ColourPop tie-dye collection. And that video is going to go up before this one. So do make sure to check it out right here as I go through, live swatches and a really in-depth tutorial. So it's there to kind of really help you make a more informed decision if it's something that you've been curious about purchasing. I also just did one for ColourPop about the Sailor Moon collection, which is a bit controversial because they're sold out again and a lot of people aren't happy, but they are restocking. So if you are interested in that one, I'll link it up here and down below in the description box. Enough said, let's go right into this box and let's see what we got. So as I'm sitting here cutting and going open, just to tell you, last month's box, like May, I did not film because I was too eager and my hair wasn't done and I just wanted to open the box. But I did show one of the palettes in my palette collection video. Okay, so we got this here and I already see something. Ugh. It is the, Touch and Soul Philip Orange. Wow, I have Touch and Soul, the little glitter eyeshadows that they have. They're fantastic and they're dual chrome and everything. Let's take a look at this. Ooh, wow. That is really nice. This is giving me like MAC vibes. Didn't they do something? This orange right here, holy moly. I can see it in the reflection. I don't know if you can see it, if you see the green and the yellow coming off of that. Really nice. I'm going to swatch a couple of these. I'm going to go into this one, and you know what? I'm going to go into this glitter here because they do glitter really well. So here we go. This is the first one here. And then this is the glitter, which I'm not the best at swatching. But again, they're not meant to just swatch over like dry skin like that. You are to put something down. That's really nice. I've never used Touch and Soul eyeshadows, so that will be interesting to kind of go into. So great, another palette. That's fantastic because I don't have enough of those. And then I have here a Laura Geller Multitasking Eye Lip Cheek Palette. Cream to Powder Trio. Cream to Powder. There we go. Laura Geller. I don't think I have anything from her. Yes, I can. Really nice. That's a nice thing to kind of take traveling. A little bit of everything there. Tuscan Coral Coconut Grove Gold Dust. You're kind of creamy there. Let's just give it a little go here. See what happens. Just doing little mini swatches right here. Very subtle but buildable. Probably can't see anything too much on my hand. But nice. Let me go a little bit in that highlighter. That's nice. And there we go. It's a nice, good way to try some Laura Geller. And I have here, what is this? QMS Intensive Eye Care Day and Night Eye Cream. Fantastic. I love me some eye cream because as you can see, I'm always squinting all the time, which is like why I have the crow's feet. And that's the only reason. And then I have here, what is this? Lily Lashes Triple Mascara. Ooh, really nice. I keep seeing this all over Instagram. Is this the new one? I keep seeing Lily Lashes all over the place. This shade Black, so that's nice. And this is what it looks like right here. Focus. There we go. Really good. As much as I love my L'Oreal and everything, I do need to kind of try some others, because they're not perfect, but they're really good and I really like them. So very excited about that one. And then my last item from my BoxyCharm is by BV Beauty Valute. This right here. There we go. This is a lip liner trio. Oh, very nice. And those are the colors right there. Okay, I'm going to swatch these. Good size pencil. That's a fair size. I'm going to go into this one here. Do they have names or anything? I don't think they have names, but this is the kind of, it's not the darkest one. It's the second to darkest one. And I'm going to put that right here. That's nice. It's very creamy. gonna go into this one a little bit more in the reddish tone. Gonna put it right beside, right there. Oh, that's nice. The outside one right there. Really nice. Ooh, really nice. And then this one is a nice red. So let's give this a go. I don't have a red lip liner. My mother has like 30, so I kind of never really need to. That, and I don't wear a lot of red, but that's nice. It's a nice blue red. All right. Well, excellent. So let's recap. I have the Beauty Vault here. This is the lip liner trio. I have the Lily Lashes mascara in black. Got the eye cream here by QMS. The Laura Geller eye and cheek trio set. And I got this Touch and Soul palette, the Fill Up Orange. So there we go. That was my box. That was pretty easy stuff and nice things. I'm happy I got an eye cream. And I got to try some other brands that I've heard some things about. So give me something to try over the next couple of weeks. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you liked it, do like this video and to consider subscribing to this channel. If you like this video, you should check out the other ones that are popping up right here. I have other videos where I show other subscription boxes that I unbox on video. And I have a huge makeup collection and a lot of tutorials and get ready with me's. Anyways, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching this video, everybody. And I hope you and your families are all doing well. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.